Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So guys, as you can see, this girl is trying a hack, and this hack will make your eyes look larger and more open. You need only two things, black eyeliner and white eyeliner. First, apply black eyeliner to your upper lid and create a small wing. Now in the middle part between upper and lower lid, apply white eyeliner. Next, apply black eyeshadow to your lower lid and make a smaller wing at the outer corner. The white eyeliner creates an illusion that makes your eyes looks bigger. After this, you can apply mascara or any other eye makeup to complete the look. This is the final look. You can see the clear difference between both eyes. So guys, this is the video for today. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. So guys, don't forget to give it a try. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.